Have you ever thought of snoring as more than just a nighttime nuisance? Snoring isn't just noise, it can indicate health issues like obstructive sleep apnea, where sleeping airways partially close, causing breathing interruptions. Linked to high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke, snoring also affects daytime functionality. While not all snoring suggests sleep apnea, obesity, alcohol, and sleeping positions are contributing factors. Addressing it may involve lifestyle adjustments or medical interventions for severe cases. Understanding snoring's implications emphasizes its health significance, urging attention to sleep habits.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.